So today we will demonstrate a new option monitor screen in our real-time spread scanner. Option monitor can be reached if you go to the real-time spread scanner and then you go to the monitor page. So once you go on the monitor page, you can open new monitor and enter any stock ticker. Then you just click enter and you see option chains below. You can open as many option monitor screens as you need. So you can see at this particular screen I have more than 10 different option monitors. So once you open the option chains information, you have lots of data, lots of different columns at the bottom, and we are going to check what is available over here. So first of all, at the top of the screen you have filters, call, put, you have expirations. It starts from shows all expiration from today up until the last available expiration. You can see the last available expiration, and then all other dates are grayed out. And you see all available strikes range from the minimum strike up to the highest strike available for this particular ticker. You can change these filters. For example, let's have a look what is the underlying price. It's about 12. So let's just watch the options with the strikes from 10 to 14. Okay, here it is. We also can watch a particular expiration. Let's say we only want to look at November expiration. So okay, I don't remember the date, so we can just select November month. So here it is. Now let's go and have a look what different available columns we have on the option monitor screen. So if you click in any column on this arrow button, you will see some choices like sort this column or get back to default sorting, which is actually a very useful feature because default sorting is by expiration, strike, and call put. So if you change the sorting on your screen and would like to get back to default one, you can click this under any column and this will be refreshed and get back to the original sorting. Except this, you see the list of available columns. So let's have a quick look. For convenience, you see some columns that are marked bold. Those columns are updated in real time, so you can get those values updated in a delayed and real-time mode. The regular sized columns, they're just either static or based on the end of the day data. So what information we have over here? I'll have some end of the day totals like underlying price, total option volume, call put ratio based on the end of the day. You also have intraday call put volatility volume ratio. Then we have some historical vol based on end of the day, 1 month implied volatility index, and then we have a bunch of intraday implied volatility data like implied volatility index 1 month, its level compared to 1 year range, and etc. And then we have lots of columns for particular options. That includes, of course, call, put type, expiry, strike, and different market information like bid, price, and bid size, ask, and ask size mean, option volume. You also can have the end of the day volume and open interest, and then implied volatility with based on the mid, implied volatility bid ask, and different Greeks. So you can add all these columns that you need and customize the monitor the way you like. We have a default set of different columns that typically includes underlying price, and call, put type, expiration, strike, bid, ask, and implied vols, delta, and vega. Once you choose the columns that you like, you can save, click button save as, and save this layout. Here is my saved layout at the bottom. And you can later go and open this layout using OptMonitor button. This way it keeps your different columns that you already saved. Okay, so what else useful we can do on the screen? Okay, so how many times? The different things we can do on the assumption monitor screen. For example, let's switch to the SPY. No, the SPY. Let's add option volume filters, option volume information. And what you can do over here, the simplest way, you can sort by option volume and see options with the largest option volume during the day. So let's have a look at the usually most active options. It's in spiders usually. Okay, here it is. Oh, so we have a set of options with the highest intraday option volume. So actually it's a very convenient thing to filter out quickly those options. Let's say this one, it has 110,000 options volume, so it's almost twice than as of the close, and it's even higher than its open interest. We see that mostly these are weekly options. Over here we see nearest expirations in Friday. So yes, this is one of the way how you can use the screen and filter out most active options today. So let's get back now to default sorting by expiration strike and see what else we can do here. Let's have a look at the implied vol numbers. They are marked red if they're going down, and they are marked green if they're going up. Just a hint for you to know. Also, you can set percentage. And also, we have two charts on the screen. We have strike skew chart. So basically, if you click on the chart button in the expiration row, you will see smile charts. red calls and blue are puts line in the particular selected expiration. So we have September 21st right now, the nearest expiration, and this is our smile. But if you click on the strike chart, you will see skew across time for this particular strike, which is SPY 218, across different expirations. So it's from September up to June 17. And you see its implied vol in each of these expirations. A very nice, very important charts for you to see the profile of your volatility. Okay, so what else over here? You can choose some options that you're interested in, copy to clipboard and then paste into Excel and do your fuzzy analysis there. Okay, so what else? Okay, we have after update button, which is if market is open, you can check this button and you will get all updates on the screen right away. So all prices, implied vols, calculation, they will be refreshed automatically. But you will notice that your screen will be reloading frequently. But you can uncheck this button if you're doing some analysis in order to prevent reloading the screen. So yeah, we do advise to keep this button unchecked unless you want to watch the market. And if you want to get back to the original view of the screen after you did some changes with columns, let's say we added many columns, we changed sorting, and now we want to get back to the very first original view, you just click button restore and it gets back to the original columns list, to the original sorting, and just easy way to get back to the original view. And also the last thing is we have a button refresh over here. So basically when your after update is off but you want to refresh the data, you can click this button and this will bring new prices and new bid-ask, implied vol, basically new market data on the screen. I think that's it for now.